facial recognition we can use for identifying the criminals, and that gives the detail on suspects within a single scan. So this is the very useful technology provided by AI. Then before the rise of AI, then police department use or some sketchers or you can say designer or drawing makers that will making the sketch of particular suspected person. So in that case, witness must remember the face of the criminal. So you know that the court of law gives the justice or the decision based on the we can say remembering the face of the criminal. That is called eyewitness. So by the using of eyewitness, court given the decisions, but most of the time that remembering that particular case by a particular person is going wrong. So it's you can say it is not a accurate things or accurate techniques through which we can identify the criminals and identify the face of particular person, those who perform or done the some criminal activity. So in that case, before AI, the challenges of crime investigation was very big. Then witness must remember the face of criminal. So that most of the time they give the wrong result or the wrong decision. So nowadays we can say 75% of wrongful conviction made nowadays make the right decision by the using of AI. And also we can say eyewitness, in the case of eyewitness, they give the some verdict in court. So most of the time they don't remember the particular person in like in 100% right way. In that case, we can say this AI technology provides the 75 to 80% more accurate result as compared to previous one. So this is the major wonderful achievement by the AI for we can say providing the identifying the particular person. So AI can easily detect and finding the patterns and match that pattern to database and finding the finalize that particular sketch. Then autopilot, smarter approach for by the AI that we can use for driving the car. So how AI in vehicles will change the future of driving? So this is the autopilot, and you can say self-driving car. Autopilot is basically it is the AI assisted system that helps drive a car. But in the case of autopilot, they still need some driver or some person that you can say still require human supervision. So in the case of autopilot, you can say we still require some human supervision. But rest of the work will be done by the AI, and they provide some help to get the exact or correct path to move vehicle from source to destination. And driver must stay alert and be ready to take control at any time. So like example is Tesla using the autopilot mode, they keep the car in its lane, maintain the speed and avoid obstacles. But the driver in this case must keep their hands on the wheel. So this is the main functioning of autopilot driving car. So autopilot is smarter approach than compared to self-driving. But presently developed country using these technologies, but still we are waiting using in full-fledged mode in developing countries. And self-driving, we can say a car is fully autonomous. It can navigate without any human intervention in self-driving mode. So world where driving license are useless, this is the main benefit that in future no need to driving license, but still this is hypothetical. But we can say we are all the country, all the going in this direction. Yesterday also some meeting was conducted in France, basically for like a development of AI in the world, how we can control the things. So Mody ji also participated in that meeting. How AI driven vehicle will change the world, like human error. speeding problem and accident problem. So speeding, distraction, and driver also taking the drink. So that caused the 90% of accident. Taking the alcohol, human error, and vision problem. So millions of people die every year due to rough driving or due to not driving in the proper way. So autopilot and AI reduce the accident and gets things easier for the human being. They use the sensors, camera, and real-time data to avoid the crashes. So one study shows that autopilot mode also reducing the accident rate 40 to 50% in a developed country. So we can say this is the major invention or of AI for the driving in safe mode. Then example of this category like Tesla and NVIDIA self-driving cars. So Tesla, we know the basically leading in the self-driving car, leading company in the particular area of self-driving car. And NVIDIA, you know that it's a very famous chip company, tool tip company. Basically mechanical or company uses the NVIDIA tool tip for finishing and cutting the product in lathe or milling machine. So NVIDIA also come in the particular self-driving car technologies. So Tesla and NVIDIA, we can say the future of self-driving car. These companies working, investing so much amount of money for making these technology useful for society. We can say NVIDIA is providing some AI-powered software for Tesla, for providing the advanced sensor, and they can use these technologies to like keeping the lane, auto braking, and self parking. And also we can say Tesla smart vehicle. This is a new product. They allow the car to drive itself by you in parking a lot of in a speedy manner. So no driver needed in that particular technology. NVIDIA basically providing the AI chips for self-driving cars. NVIDIA working for providing the AI chips for this domain whenever we are discussing the self-driving technologies. So we have discussed previously AI in war or AI in military operations. So you can say the picture, the launch and attack without casualty. So in this case, we can reduce the casualty by the using of AI. Launch and attack without casualty. That means we can say AI controlled drones, robotic soldier, and also the weapons, AI control weapons to carry out attacks remotely. In that, by the using of AI, so countries are saving its life of particular soldiers, and also they can target and attack more accurately. So, like you can say, the system can analyze the threats and plan the proper strategies and execute the mission faster than humans. This would be very helpful for war situation or you can say military operation. US military uses AI-powered drones, and also Israel army using the AI-powered drones to attack on terrorists, and without sending human soldiers. So they making the US and particular Israel nowadays using the AI technology for making the attack and also saving his soldiers' life. So this will reduce the casualty and injuries or death during the war. The tragedy of war. So this picture shows the tragedy of war, what are losses of life and goods and all the things we can reduce by the using of AI. So the peace that we have today is nothing but cherry on top of the unimaginable death. So this is some negative, we can say we can reduce this such type of things. Artificial intelligence can fight our war. So we can say artificial intelligence can fight our war that will save the millions of lives. You hear that Israeli Iron Drone use AI for intercept the enemy missiles. So they intercept the missile very perfect way by the using of AI drone intercept technology. So they basically intercept the enemy missile before they hit the populated area. So you know that during the war situation, Israel or particular US such type of company, they don't bear any much losses of lives and buildings in the case of war situation by the using of such type of technology.